So, what do you do when a foreign diplomat or president of another country comes to visit you in your dorm? Well, duh, you order takeout. Nobody has time to cook anything.
Or you can make these awesome chicken fajitas in the microwave.
Did that take very long?
Not really, about 10 minutes.
And I guess it'll save money too, so I need to know how to make this. Show me how. The very gung-ho attitude you'll also need a quarter cup of Julienned red and green bell peppers. Ay, amigo, you got this stuff? 2 tortillas. Hello, where's the shredded cheese? And of course, some good old sour cream. Cut your chicken in strips and be careful not to cut your fingers. Your fajita seasoning, and then add a little bit of salt, and then your paprika. Place the chicken strips on a plate on a single layer. Take some plastic wrap and cover the plate. Leave an open area for steam to be released. Place the chicken in the microwave and set for 6 minutes. Don't forget to adjust for higher voltage microwave. Julienne the red and green bell peppers, as well as the onion. Mix the vegetales together and season to your liking. Cover the vegetables with plastic wrap much like you did the chicken. Microwave again for about 6 minutes and don't forget to adjust for higher voltage microwaves. And doesn't it look like real chicken? Now mix the veggies and the chicken together. And warm the 2 tortillas for roughly 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave. Next, spread the sour cream onto the tortillas, and then add the mixture of veggies and chicken, and then add cheese if desired. And then of course, you can't forget Taco Bell hot sauce. Roll up the fajitas, and voila! Fit for a royal dignitary. Very good. So, quick and easy. Show the platter. Clearly, it's empty. It was quite good. So, if you want to learn to make this and other recipes, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below for stuff that you'd like us to make. Need your opinion. Anyway, I think we're about to head out right now because we have just got the private audience with these respective presidents' countries. So, see you later. Wow.
Okay, anyway.
We're using an output. Stop.